Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from LENOVO Tab Extreme to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to set it up, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Now tap on Close in white pop-up at the top and select Send at the bottom left corner of Lenovo. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Lenovo, thanks to all of those categories at the top, you can pick multiple files that you wish to transfer. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to hit Allow a couple of times to access your files. When you finish, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Keys section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Lastly, select Receive. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!